set high. From Tennessee skies to the mountains wide, in my Roadtrek Zion, chasing the sun. Rudolph's RV in USA, living the dream, enjoying the day.
And good morning. And where Melissa and I, John, we travel all over the Tennessee and also go across country to different places. And one of the trips we got planned this year is we're fixing to go out to Yellowstone, and we'll be leaving probably sometime later. But the biggest problem that we've had in our van is having some place to store the small stuff. You know, you'd always think about what am I going to do with my phone? You know, I've got places I can plug it up in the back of the van and plug it up and have it plugged in. You got cords hanging everywhere. And we have glasses. I wear glasses. Melissa wears glasses. Every time we have taken a trip in our van, Melissa has always lost her glasses. And I always tell her, you know, put them back somewhere where you can get a hold of them the next morning. And you know how that goes. So what I did is I thought, what can I get that I could take and put in the van where I have installed a little shelf across the back of my Roadtrek Zion. And Roadtrek Zions don't have this shelf in, but just so happened I went to Lowe's and actually purchased this shelf. You're not going to believe this, but it was the same color as the color inside the shelving material that we've got in the van. So, you know, it worked out real good. The colors worked out. And the thing that I purchased, and when I went online to check and see what I could find, was a everything keepers, organize your life. And actually what it is a little tray that you can actually mount up under this cabinet right here, and you'll be able to pull it out and store your stuff inside of it, and then take and shove it back up, and it locks back up. When you get ready the next morning, you want to get everything out, get your phone out that's charging up in it, or get anything else that's small and valuable, like your glasses or whatever, you can take and pull the tray down, and then take and get your stuff out. So it just makes it so easy. So I'm going to show you a little bit about how to put this thing together and what we got. So hang in there. We're fixing to get with it. Now we're back. You can see the tray. Actually, it's a little metal tray that's tuck and made, and it has these little arms on it that go up and down. And as you take and put it in, we'll be able to tell exactly where to put it at, because it has screw holes and the little flush mounts that's on it. And one of the things I had to do was, with this, is figure out exactly how to get the holes and stuff drilled in it. So what I did, I went to my toolbox, and when I went to my toolbox, I took and got a bit that fit those holes, and I took and just reamed it out a little bit. So it took me just a little bit to get it, but we did that. And you can see, as I did that, I got it where it would go up and down in there. Can you see that? There you go. And got that thing all reamed out. And then another thing that I did, I went and got my trusty screwdriver, electric screwdriver that I purchased to put in my van. I think this come from Walmart. Very easy to use. I think it was under 20 bucks. And also I have a drill that I'm fixing to use to actually drill the holes. Now, what I did was, and went and purchased the drill bits for these is short, and also they're just a little bit smaller than what the screw is that I'm fixing to put into the shelf there. So I'm going to take right now, and I'm going to take and put this up. It has plastic stickies on it, I guess is what you call them. You can take and peel those off, and what you do is you take and place it up in it holes, and then I can take and drill the holes. And what I'll do is mark each one of those holes first, and then I'll take and drill them. and then I'll take and put the shelf up, and then I'll take the screw and screw it up in it. So, okay, so exactly what I'm doing, like I said, I've got the tray out. I have already decided where I'm going to put this at, up above me. And I'm going to take and peel off this tape that's on this, because it does have sticky on it. I'm going to take it off somehow or another. You know, they always make this stuff where it don't hardly do right, but that's okay. All right, now let's try this and see if we can make this work. Biggest thing is getting it lined up to exactly where you want it to go. Now I can see I've got that. Let me check it from up here to make sure it's right. Make sure everything is like it needs to be. There we go. Just like that. Now, what you want to do is stick that up the best you can. When that goes up in there, get out of the way. Now I'm going to pull this back down. Now, what I'm going to try to do is get up inside there. And probably what I'll have to do is try to mark this to get to where I can take and put it in. So let's see what happens. We got that. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to take our screw that we've got. We're going to take our screw gun. We're going to take and place this in. Okay. I think I got to tighten this down a little bit. Up. And that's all it is to it, is getting all 4 screws in. Okay, now, so you wanted to see finished product of me putting in the little metal shelves for us to be able to put in to store stuff in our camper. I'm just going to let you see just a little bit of it here, just for a second. Here we go. If you can see them real good. There's the shelf that I put in. And then here's the little metal shelves. The good thing about it is you can just take and reach right there, get that and pull it down. And there you can take and put your stuff in it. You can lay stuff. Just push it back up. It's right in there. Sits right in. So now, well, after everything you think of, maybe Melissa won't lose her glasses and stuff anymore. That would be the great thing.